Hi everyone, my name is Aksha. Welcome you all on my YouTube channel Aksha Tutorials. Yesterday I got a message from my student asking about the gram staining procedure. So in today's lecture, today's video, I am going to explain you about the gram staining procedure. So before initiating this whole protocol or the whole procedure of gram staining, I just want to ask you that what is the difference between the gram positive and the gram negative bacteria? Why this gram staining procedure is used? Actually, I have told you in some of my previous lectures about the two types of bacteria, gram positive bacteria or gram negative bacteria. What are they? They are actually depend upon the type of their staining procedures. If the stain is retained over the bacterial cell, then that cell is considered to be gram positive bacteria. And if the stain is not retained on the bacterial cell, that means it is a gram negative bacteria. And there is a whole standard protocol to examine, to visualize in a bacterial culture that how they can be observed that either it is a gram positive bacteria or a gram negative bacteria. So I am going to explain you in detail about the whole protocol of this gram staining procedure. Suppose first of all you are having a bacterial culture. This is a tube containing this bacterial culture inside it. What you do, you are having a slide, you put out some bacterial culture and pour in the mid of the slide. You are just pouring the solution of bacterial culture medium over the slide. Right? So that means you are having a slide, having some bacterial culture. You are not known that either the bacterial culture is having positive bacteria or the gram negative bacteria, right? So the very first thing to examine you need to do, we are going to discuss all the steps. The very first is the heat fixation. You will heat fix that bacterial culture. How? You suppose you are having a burner over here from which the heat will be supplied to the slide, but you need to remember one thing here, you are not putting your slide over this burner, because in that case it will be having or gaining much more heat than it is required. So ultimately the bacterial cell will get denatured, right? So what you need to do, you will put your slide and pass it over the burner, right? So the heat will be provided, the minimum heat will be provided to that slide, and all the bacterial culture will get fixed over the slide. So this is your very first step after taking your bacterial culture, the heat fixation. After this, what will you do? Obviously you will pour the stain. So in the standard protocol, you must be having the staining tray. So you will be having the staining tray over which you will pour your slide containing that bacterial culture, and you will pour a drop of stain. We are going to use crystal violet stain, approximate for a minute. Suppose you are pouring that stain, so let it absorb all the stain over approximate having 1 minute. Now after a minute, what will you do? You will just use the distilled water to wash off all the stain, right? So with the help of, in some cases alcohol could also be used, but distilled water can also be used. So we use the distilled water to wash off all the stain from that bacterial culture. Now after it, you are going to use iodine solution. This solution will act as a mordant. Right. So it will act as a mordant. You will pour that iodine solution, and again you are going to wash it off by using the distilled water. Now after this, you will use decolorizer. Yes, some sort of decolorizer will be used so that all the color retained over the stain, extra color will be removed out. क्या किया हमने अभी तक? We have just taken the bacterial culture slide, just heat fix it firstly, then pour the crystal violet stain just for a minute so that it could, the culture will absorb that stain. Now you will wash off that with the help of distilled water. Now you are using another solution, iodine solution, which will act as a mordant, and again by the help of distilled water it will washed over. Now you will pour the decolorizer so that extra stain would have been washed off. After this you are going to use a counter stain. What is counter stain? You are going to use saffron as counter stain. But what is this counter stain? Counter stain is actually the stain which is used after one stain. Don't get confused. First of all we have used the crystal violet, right? अब bacteria ने तो अपनी property show करनी है ना, they will retain the stain. So they will be retaining that stain. लेकिन हम decolorizer के बाद हमने वो stain को remove कर दिया है, तो we will use another stain as a counter stain ताकि जो जितने भी cells हैं which are not going to retain that stain, that all over extra stain will be removed out and they will be having the color of this counter stain. थोड़ा और क्लियर हो जाएगा. देखो हमने क्या किया, क्रिस्टल वॉयलेट स्टेन डाली, उसको वाटर से रिमूव कर दिया, एडिन सोल्यूशन डाला, उसको वाटर से रिमूव कर दिया, फिर हमने डीकलराइजर डाला कि जितना भी एक्स्ट्रा कलर होगा उसमें से वो सारा वॉश ऑफ हो जाएगा, राइट. आफ्टरवर्ड्स व्हाट विल हैपन, वी आर यूजिंग दिस सैफ्रनिन सो दैट जो भी बैक्टीरियल कल्चर्स इस स्टेन को रिटेन नहीं कर सकते, दे विल बी हैविंग द कलर ऑफ दिस स्टेन. And now again we are going to use distilled water to remove this as well. Again we will be using the distilled water to remove the whole extra stain from this. Right, now what will happen, we are going to dry this. The next step will be of drying. Drying can be used with the help of absorbent paper. अब कोई भी एड्जॉर्बेंट पेपर, बल्बुलस पेपर इज यूज्ड एज एन एड्जॉर्बेंट पेपर, तो कोई भी एड्जॉर्बेंट पेपर यूज करके आप उसको अच्छे से पूरी स्लाइड को ड्राई कर लोगे एंड आफ्टरवर्ड द स्लाइड विल बी एबल टू वॉश्ड और व्यूड अंडर द माइक्रोस्कोप. यू कैन हैव द 100x power on the microscope to watch or to view, to examine the whole bacterial culture after the all staining. Now what will you observe? There could be the presence of bacteria. If those bacterial cells are retaining the color of the stain, it must be violet or dark blue color. तो अगर तो ये violet से dark blue color देंगे आपके bacterial cells, that means they have retained the stain. That means they are gram positive bacteria. And if the bacterial cells are showing pink to red color due to this saffronin is actually an orange dye, it shows pink to red color. So if your bacterial culture is showing pink to red color, that means they are gram negative bacteria which could not have the ability to retain this stain. That is why saffronin is a counter stain, ताकि उसके काउंटर में एक्ट करती है. जो ग्राम नेगेटिव है वो उसको उसका कलर तो देंगे नहीं, तो दे विल बी शोइंग पिंक टू रेड कलर. आई होप अब आपको समझ आ गई हो. तो लेट्स जस्ट रिकॉल दिस होल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टेकन अ बैक्टीरियल कल्चर ओवर द स्लाइड, देन वी यूज टू हीट फिक्सेशन, राइट. देन वी यूज टू स्टेन इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ crystal violet for a minute, then wash it off through the distilled water, pour iodine solution in it which will act as a mordant, and again remove it out with the help of distilled water. Then we use a decolorizer so that all the color will be get washed away if they are not having that stain retained over it. Then we are using the next counter stain which is saffronin, and again removing it with the help of distilled water. Then this slide will undergo the drying purposes. We can take the help of absorbent paper. Afterwards the slide can be viewed under the microscope. So if the bacterial cultures are showing violet to dark blue color cells, that means they are gram positive bacteria, and if they are showing pink to red color, that means they are gram negative bacteria. Simple as that. अच्छा, कई बार ऐसा भी हो सकता है आपके कल्चर मीडियम में जब आप उसको देखोगे आपके दोनों तरह के कलर्स नजर आए, तो सिंपल मतलब है इसका मतलब आपने स्लाइड में जब बैक्टीरियल कल्चर लिया था उसमें दोनों तरह के बैक्टीरियाज प्रेजेंट हैं. ओके, सो आई होप आपको अच्छे से सारा ग्राम स्टेनिंग प्रोसीजर समझ आया हो एंड इट वुड हेल्प यू. सो इफ यू लाइक माय वीडियो देन डू शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एज वेल. कीप वॉचिंग गाइस, स्टे ट्यून्ड, कीप स्माइलिंग. थैंक यू.